Alright, fixing your Jayco pop-up or any pop-up. This one we have a crank up back here. Somebody might have cranked it the wrong way, so they put the road on there. Even though it says it there, but you don't look there when you're over here with it open. So anyways, we jacked it up with the jack with a little 2x2 on each corner, blocked each corner with 4x4s all the way around just to give us a little more room. So came in here to change out this main cable, and we got these 4 that come off of it for your lift deals, but this main cable is the one that broke. So we kind of broke this out just a little, just to get in here. But and I blocked this up a little to get it out of my way, just to get into here. So I pulled out that sprocket, this whole sprocket with the bolt, pulled out took the whole cable off. There's a little bolt on there, you see right there, holding this cable on. Took that bolt out and took the sprocket out, put the new cable back on, the little hasp, put that back in. Now all of our other cables are good. I'll just put this deal on the end of here, loop the cable through the middle, added this for a little more structure, and 2 of these bad boys, and we'll see how she works.